YouTube. I know it's been a while since I got another video out, but life throws its curveballs, and things are good now. So I got another log up on the mill and figured, since I really haven't shown the mill and the whole dust collecting system working, figured I'd do a quick video showing that. So yeah, of course got one of the cats here, which probably won't stay long. Yeah, we got our one-eyed cat here, Daniel Tiger. Yeah. Alright. Well, let me get you guys spun around here, and you can see how this log gets opened up. I've already started a little bit and totally forgot about bringing out the camera. Amateur here. So, yeah. Let's take a look at it, guys. Definitely need to invest in the laser on this thing. I turned it off, and of course it's lost its auto down setting. It's just not a problem. Just takes a little bit more time. There you go. Flip this up around. Just open up that can. The one thing you'll see me do is I definitely put all my logs, so off bearings into firewood right away. Actually, I don't do firewood, I should say burn pit right away, just so it's done. So let me get that going and be right back with you. Alright, let's rotate this vlog. I gotta get better at this video stuff. I almost forgot to get back on here. Amateurs, I'll get better here. So I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. I'll tell you, I appreciate a lot of these people I do watch themselves. So. Alright, next cut here. Let's see what we got. I think if I had a skid steer. Okay. I think it's time to rotate this again. Okay. Oh, I know it's the top of the screen. Make sure I do better with filming. Maybe I get another camera. Alright. Let's go and get some more boards cut out of this. First things first. Start off the dust collector. I bought that used. Don't even know how long that is, how old it is, whatever. It starts up one pull every time. let's see now. Let's do this so you guys can see a little bit better. All right. Of course, our top ones here are no good. Put them over there, so I'm going to the fire pit. This one here needs to be edged a little bit. This has got some really nice color and some really dark spots in there. I say I'm still learning, so I know this log's been on the ground for a while, so that's probably some sort of mold or fungus, and maybe that will change, maybe it won't change. Let's move it over here so it goes to our drying pile. Let's see if I can find my alright. Look, I was to look for something to scrape. Unfortunately, my scraper's messing, so we'll just use water. We'll just use this piece of wood here. Yeah, same thing. Some nice pieces of wood here. These pieces of, if I'm remembering right, this is oak. Let's take a look at this one here. We got a little, see knots here, which are definitely add some character here with darkness on the wood. Get this one over there. Let's decide which way what we want to do with this. We want to stay going down the course here. Got some waviness in there. This blade might be on its last log. But I can see on this cut here, I had some dipping. I think I want to keep going down here. Nothing else is looking interesting. And also not as wide. So let's bring you guys back here. Down a little bit. Okay. Let's see what you guys can see right there. Oh, you don't see anything. Let's get into this again. Really dropped. Let's see. Too close to my stops. Too close. There. Let's get that going here. Let's see here. Really close to the bottom here. Alright, let's do that. Well, I guess this showed you everything. This is another one of those learning curves. I wasn't high enough when I pulled back on the blade and pulled my blade completely out against the wood. No damage or anything, but I should video this because it can help people. It's the whole point of this, right? Again, amateur video person, whatever you want to call it. YouTuber. I can consider myself a YouTuber yet. I only got 2 subscribers. You can change that. Subscribe if you like any of my videos. If you don't like them, subscribe anyway. I don't know. Sounds good, right? Hopefully my videos will get better. It's like anything, once you start learning, you do better. I am definitely learning. Alright, everything is on the guide. Alright, let's try this again and get you guys going and watching. Total amateur today. Knocked the blade off. And my memory card was full. Well, let's see what we can do next here. Just stop now, or this might be YouTube gold here. Alright, let me take a look at what you guys see. I have to move you a little bit. Alright. So I'm going to say bear with me again. Going to move the boards that we've already cut. Get them ready to be stacked. So hold on, I know of a way we can clear these so we can See him a little better.
Again, we'll load up on the there. Let's do it again. Fix the camera. I'm going to move my microphone. Oh, be back with you guys. Alright. Got us out of the gate to fix the microphone problem. This will stop the cord from moving. That's close enough.